मैं 2010 से जॉब कर रहा हूँ। मैंने पिछले 15 सालों में मास कॉम के अलग अलग मीडियम्स में काम कर लिया है, बिकॉज मेरे में वो लालसा, वो लालच, वो अट्रैक्शन है टुवर्ड्स दिस। तो मैंने रेडियो भी किया, मैंने प्रिंट भी किया, मैंने डिजिटल भी किया, बिकॉज व्हाट इट्स पेइंग मी इज मच मोर व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग इन माय जॉब। सो दैट मेक्स इट माय प्राइमरी दिस थिंग, बट ऑफ कोर्स what I do at my job is also my love, so I don't mind juggling. जैसे मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे यू why don't you start freelancing? आई थिंक, बट 15 साल काम करने के बाद कि 30 तारीख को सैलरी आ रही है, आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन वेक अप एंड बी लाइक आज मुझे क्या जॉब करनी है, आज मुझे क्या असाइनमेंट ढूंढना है, आई कैन डू दैट। बट दोज हु आर इन दैट पोजिशन, मैं हर किसी को यही बोलता हूँ, somebody who's 23 24 exploring, have started and they are earning good money and they're seeing the growth, I tell them go ahead, make it your first thing. Just because इसका दौर चल रहा है, just because people are earning out of it, so should I be doing it? Yes, if you have got that skill, sure, because जमाने के साथ भी तो चलना है। तो अगर आज
हम्म।
इसका जमाना चल रहा है, इसमें ज्यादा जॉब्स हैं, इसमें ज्यादा
हम्म।
पैसा है, and you have the skill as well, not
हम्म।
only of content creation but let's of other things, why not popular when you're really popular and you almost achieve that cultish kind of status? So it comes with the risk of judgment and
हम्म।
cancellation, और cancel culture आ गया है। cancel culture आज से 20 साल पहले भी था। सेक्सी सेक्सी मुझे लोग बोले हाय सेक्सी, हेलो सेक्सी was cancelled. What you're good at, how to identify, one is try. Again, ये बहुत सिंपल लगता है कि अरे ट्राई क्या ये वो, but keep trying new things. By that I mean, if you think content creation is your thing, create a video. Which video? Okay, what's my top interest today? Oh, travel is my top interest today. Let me make a video. 2015 वो साल था when I was like, okay, what do I like now? Okay, because
हम्म।
रेडियो के प्यार से मैं उभर चुका हुआ था, एंड उन दिनों में of course जैसे YouTube ये राइज पे था, so I was like, okay, I also want to try this. I was doing that without any remuneration or without any reward because I was getting 70 views, 80 views. बट मेरा फिर मोटिव ये नहीं था कि व्यूज लाने, मेरा मोटिव था भाई तू नया कुछ सीख रहा है। अगेन एग्जांपल, if I started in 2015 and I started with stills, it didn't work as like also मजा भी नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है वीडियो करता हूँ, वीडियो में क्या करूंगा, ट्रैवल, ठीक है करता हूँ। अब नहीं व्यूज आ रहे, ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक आई शुड स्टॉप। नो, आई डिडंट स्टॉप बिकॉज मैंने मोटिवेशन व्यूज को बनाया ही नहीं था। ऑल्सो आई थिंक आई ऑल्सो हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ turning things I like into content. For example, vibing to music is my therapy, but I turned into content. So that became my content. There are creators who post like 1 or 2 videos a week. I do like 4 or 5 videos a week now. ये भी अब कम हुआ है, पहले मैं सातों दिन एक वीडियो कर रहा था। सो आई काइंड ऑफ काउंसल्ड माई सेल्फ कि भाई अगर तू 7 दिन की 7 वीडियोस डालेगा तो 7 नहीं करेंगी मिलियन, ऑफ कोर्स उसमें कोई गिरेगी भी।
This is the mother of podcasts.
एक रील पोस्ट करने का वो 1 लाख रुपए लेती है। ऐसे इस तरह की बातें ना हमने अपने आसपास बहुत सारी सुनी है। सबने ही सुनी है, लगभग हमारी लाइफ में कोई ना कोई ऐसा होगा। एंड ऑल दीज कॉन्वर्सेशंस मेक्स वन थिंक कि क्या सोशल मीडिया को फर्स्ट करियर चॉइस बनाया जा सकता है। और इनफैक्ट आज का जेंजी और भी जो यंग वाले आ रहे हैं वो तो ऑफ कोर्स ये सोच ही रहे हैं। दे आर एमिंग टू बी अ यूट्यूबर टू स्टार्ट विथ। एंड आज का जो हमारा डिस्कशन है दैट इज विथ आप इसको आप आज के हमारे गेस्ट को बहुत सारे नेम्स से जान सकते हैं। ही इज ऑल्सो अ जर्नलिस्ट, ही इज द पंजाबी अंकल aka the Jhumru. But before we get into this big picture discussion, Arun, welcome to the podcast first. But if Punjabi uncle had to introduce us in this podcast, how would he do that?
देखो जी, हम जो है पेरेंटहुड में इतने सालों से रह रहे हैं, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मदरें मिलती हैं हमें। हम तो जी कोई ढूंढते हैं जिससे 4 बातें कर सके, जिससे वो रिलेट कर सके। तो हम, हमारे बच्चे तो काफी बड़े हो गए हैं, बट ये जो मदरें हैं हमारे साथ, इनके अभी छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, तो इनसे बात करते हैं तो हम भी पुराने दिनों में चले जाते हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
सही है
हाय
अगर
गाइस।
Hi,
Hi,
Arun.
Arun. Thank you, Arun. Thank you so much. We could finally sit down and record this.
हाउ इज इट गोइंग?
Oh,
Ah,
it's going good. Uh,
and we are not thinking कि आप हमें टाल रहे थे ना ऐसा। We are
हाँ,
okay
but
with it, है ना?
because you were like कि oh if you were too busy तो you could have delayed it. I was like नहीं, फिर तुम लोग सोचते कि मैं टाल रहा हूँ, because that's what happens. Like all of us have experienced, right? When we want to collab with somebody and then they're like आज नहीं, परसों, परसों नहीं, चौथ. Then that's what you think. That's
पर
why I was
अरुण,
like,
बहुत
But then
पुराना
that's
कर्जा भी तो देना है, सारे असाइनमेंट्स का और सारे एग्जाम पास कराने का।
do okay. I should give the context. So I know
yeah.
both of them from my stints before. Like Chanda is my college friend, and Soumya has been my colleague. So
Yeah.
yeah, I've known Chanda since 2013. That's like
Too
12
2010,
years.
long.
2010. What are you
yes,
saying? 2010. Yeah,
we
which is what,
graduated in
15 years.
2013.
15 years, dude.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's too long to think कि तुम टालोगे ना हमें.
हाँ,
Right.
but that's what I'm saying. मतलब, I mean, you could think, but I was so like from the moment Chanda asked, I was like, हाँ, sure, let's do it. So मेरी तरफ से तो वही नहीं था, because yeah.
All right. Okay, so like I said, Arun, so I'll start with this. Recently, I got to know about a person. She was born and brought up in a tier 2 city. She became an influencer, quite a good one actually. I'm not taking any names here, but she's in a position where she's getting paid for posting reels by brands and getting paid good. Now she was of marriageable age, and her arranged marriage was set up with a guy from a tier 5 villageish town. Okay. एंड ये लड़की तैयार है उस बंदे से शादी करने के लिए, क्योंकि ये लड़की को वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा स्टूडियो बना के दे रहा है घर के अंदर. So we have reached a point in time where social media is influencing the choice of marriage in which city we are going to. I mean, this was a very really बहुत ही ये
No, I would disagree, because it's about the career choice, right? It's about
yeah.
supporting career of your partner.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, social media is a new career, so yes, it's a
Hmm.
new setup that way. But let's say if she was a doctor and she
Hmm.
wanted to practice, um, and her husband was opening a clinic for her
Hmm.
or helping her set up that clinic, it would have been the
तो नहीं नहीं, पूरी बात नहीं सुनी. द पॉइंट इज कि मूविंग फ्रॉम अ टियर 2 सिटी टू अ टियर 5 इज नॉट एन आइडियल सिचुएशन फॉर अ गर्ल. ठीक है
But
कि आप
12 years, 20 years ago, also, if somebody had to take the decision, they would have taken the decision. But anyway, what's the point?
yeah, so the point is that a tier 2 city girl brought up in a tier 2 city wouldn't naturally go and marry a villager sort of a space, right? तो ये एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग बात है, ये अच्छी बात है, मैं बुरी नहीं कह रही हूँ कि ये बहुत बुरी बात है. बट कमिंग टू द अदर साइड ऑफ इट, ये डिस्कशन तो बहुत बार बहुत बहुत घिसा पिटा भी हो चुका है अब कि सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर कैसे बनना है. पीपल हैव लाइक प्रॉपर क्लासेस, कंसल्टेशंस एंड सिखा रहे हैं सब लोग, राइट? बट the situation has reached a point where it has become study versus preparing for social media in a lot of spaces where people are thinking, where kids are thinking, where teenagers are thinking कि ठीक है, किसी तरीके से बस 10वीं 12वीं निकाल लेते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे अल्टीमेटली तो करना यही है, मुझे अल्टीमेटली तो बनना यूट्यूबर है. तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे पहले नॉर्थ में बोला जाता था कि आईएएस पीसीएस बनना है, तो जिंदगी अपनी दे देते थे, 35 साल के हो गए, वो गैम्बल की तरह एग्जाम दिए जा रहे हैं, नहीं निकल रहा है. तो फिर एक ये पॉइंट आया जहां बोलने लगा गया कि इसको बी चॉइस बना के रखते हैं. तो जैसे मुझे लगता है हम लोग के लिए तो like you have always had social media like a second thing that you've been doing along with your job ever since you started your career, right? But it has become a first choice, and I'm happy for that because it has opened up so many avenues. सिर्फ influencer नहीं, there are managers, there are agencies, कितने सारे earning opportunities खुल गए हैं. पर जब ये फर्स्ट चॉइस लेता है कोई, तो कितना सेफ्टी नेट है और ये कितना सेफ है? क्योंकि अभी वी हैव नॉट रीच्ड अ पॉइंट वेयर हमें सोशल मीडिया और इससे रिलेटेड सारे करियर्स के नेगेटिव साइड्स बहुत क्लियरली दिखे हैं. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस?
It's a very layered question. So, see, couple of things. One, if somebody asks me कि आज का कोई यंग लड़का लड़की अगर बनना चाहता है यूट्यूबर, इंस्टाग्राम इन्फ्लुएंसर, तो आप उन्हें क्या गाइड करेंगे? So I would say don't just think of it as a career opportunity made for you, because it is not made for everyone. Just like I can't be an engineer Similarly, somebody with that acumen, those skills, probably can't is or maybe is not cut out to be a content creator. सो वो वाला सीन है. सबसे पहले ये डिसाइड करना होगा कि क्या मेरे लिए ये वर्क करता है या नहीं. सेकंड, वो जो रिस्क वाली बात कही ना, वो मुझे थोड़ा लगता है वो अप्रोच नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर ये कोई ऐसी चीज है जो आप करना चाहते हो, मन से करना चाहते हो, और आप में वो दीवानापन, वो पैशन है, और स्किल है, टैलेंट है, घुसो उसमें. आई नो कहना आसान है और करना बहुत मुश्किल है, और मैं कोई उस जगह से नहीं आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पर where I had like a lot of support or cushioning, and probably I had a lot of privilege. No, I also knew that I was taking a risk. So मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा कि अरे सोचो ही मत. But I didn't know anything else. I didn't know any other thing. And if that is your case, go ahead, because आप कुछ ना कुछ figure out कर लोगे. मैं पिछले मैं 2010 से जॉब कर रहा हूँ. मैंने पिछले 15 सालों में मास कॉम के अलग अलग मीडियम्स में काम कर लिया है. बिकॉज मेरे में वो लालसा, वो लालच, वो अट्रैक्शन है टुवर्ड्स दिस. तो मैंने रेडियो भी किया, मैंने प्रिंट भी किया, मैंने डिजिटल भी किया. When I entered, did I know the risk? Yes, but I didn't know anything else. And I loved it so much that the risk was not even like a part of my, मतलब मेरे forefront में नहीं था वो risk. वो मेरे आगे एक पर्दा नहीं बना रहा था. It was there, but at the back of my mind. तो I think वो बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि risk है, इसका downside, this and that. If you really like it, don't care, just get into it. So that's what I would say.
But like you have a job, a permanent 9 to 5 kind. Like it's not 9 to 5 because media is never 9 to 5. But you have a permanent job and you do social media. I would say as a side hustle or your main thing. But is it okay to make it as your first career choice, or should there be a plan B?
No, it can be a first choice. I think you have to make it a first choice. Um, so for me, when you say ki it's a secondary this thing, I don't think it is anymore, because what it's paying me is much more what I'm getting in my job. So that makes it my primary this thing. But of course, what I do at my job is also my love. So I don't mind juggling both the worlds. So there are two things. One is, अगर आप एक ऐसी नौकरी में हो जो आपको पसंद नहीं है, और इधर आप साथ साथ कंटेंट क्रिएशन भी कर रहे हो, देन देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ डूइंग दैट जॉब. हियर मेरे पास एक एडवांटेज ये है कि जो मैं जॉब में कर रहा हूँ वो भी मुझे पसंद है, और वो लिंक्ड है विद व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. लाइक आई एम परफॉर्मिंग एट बोथ द प्लेसेस. ऑफ कोर्स एक में मैं तमीजदार हूँ और एक में मैं पागल हूँ. सो बट आई एम इट्स काइंड ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग, राइट? आई एम परफॉर्मिंग इन बोथ द जॉब, सो दैट वर्क्स फॉर मी. क्या मेन बनाना चाहिए इन्फ्लुएंसर शिप को और इन्फ्लुएंसिंग को?
Content
Yes,
creation.
100%. If you ask me, I'm 32. I can't do that probably now. Or maybe I don't come from that kind of background. I come from a middle class family. मेरा mindset वैसा है. और अब वही वाली बात है ना, इतने साल अगर आपकी एक तरह की सोच रही है, जैसे मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यार why don't you start freelancing? आई थिंक, बट 15 साल काम करने के बाद कि 30 तारीख को सैलरी आ रही है, आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन वेक अप एंड बी लाइक आज मुझे क्या जॉब करनी है, आज मुझे क्या असाइनमेंट ढूंढना है. आई कैन डू दैट. बट दोज हु आर इन दैट पोजिशन, मैं हर किसी को यही बोलता हूँ, somebody who's 23, 24, exploring, have started, and they are earning good money and they're seeing the growth, I tell them, go ahead, make it your first thing, because you have time to figure it out.
Yeah, what
I
about
mean,
like younger age group? Like you're saying 23, 24, थोड़ी अक्कल आ जाती है तब तक, थोड़ी दुनिया देख लेते हो, कॉलेज कर लिया है. स्कूल वाले बच्चों का क्या? वहां से शुरू हो गया है, क्योंकि obviously they're
हाँ,
seeing, right? They're seeing the कितनी मेहनत. Also, we want to talk about, is being an influencer easy? Let's just put it out there. Is it easy? Is making
no,
videos, putting it
no.
out there, is it easy? Is it like quick and easy fix of money?
No, it's not easy. But what is easy? What you do is not easy. Motherhood is not easy. Recording a podcast is not easy. Nothing is easy. Nothing comes easy. So as simple as that. कुछ आसान नहीं होता हर जगह. मतलब मुझे ना वो थोड़ा सा रोमांटिसाइज करना भी बुरा लगता है कि ये जो हम लोगों ने इतना छाती पीट पीट के हम कहते हैं कि गाइस इन्फ्लुएंसर होना बहुत मुश्किल है. You put your life out there. Mental to yes, I agree. But then nothing is easy. 9 to 5 is also not easy. Being a housemaker, being a homemaker is not easy. Raising a kid is not easy. Uh, Doing an IT job, nothing is easy. So as simple as that. So of course it has its own perks and disadvantages, as every job has. So that's what my perspective is. Asking your first question, which is
Yeah.
about age, like
Hmm.
really young people. So
Yeah.
I think wahan pe you have to have some kind of mentoring,
Hmm.
guidance from parents,
Hmm.
a senior figure that has to come their way because
Hmm.
while I think younger generation is much smarter, but they need a little bit of hand holding and अर्ली ऑन जब आपको पैसा दिखता है या मिलता है तो आपका
Hmm.
दिमाग खराब हो सकता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉज 2010 अर्निंग money and I started getting like monthly salary and my father saw that and he immediately like तू recurring deposit खोल तू आरडी खोल हर महीने तेरा इतना पैसा उसमें जाएगा राइट आई यूज टू हेट दैट थिंग कि अरे मैंने अपने दम पे किया है ना मैं कमा रहा हूँ ना लाइक लेट मी हैंडल दिस बट व्हेन आई लुक बैक I thank my dad for doing that because for that I could afford like phones of my choice. I had a
Hmm.
car, my first car, brand new car at 21. I had my first house at 24. I think all of that is because I got that guidance how to manage my money. So I think when people like 16, 17-year-old people or much younger ones who are out there putting their content, earning money out of it, needs a lot of hand holding, and that's something that adults will have to do for them.
Hmm.
So they definitely need hand holding, but I think they are also very smart because हम लोगों ने ये सब सीखा है हमारी आंखों के सामने उनके लिए इट्स देयर सेकंड नेचर राइट वो
Hmm.
फोन्स के साथ पैदा हुए हैं तो उनके लिए और नेचुरली आता है और उनके लिए इट्स लाइक लाइफ they are not navigating it that's their life we are navigating it.
But yeah, Jumru, Arun, you are saying that you're navigating it. If you are navigating it, we are definitely, I don't know what, I mean, stumbling upon it. Because I think, because आप तुम्हारे साथ काम किया है, I've seen you work. You're disciplined to the last T, right? I've seen you work. I've seen your time management. I've seen your discipline. ठीक है? तो as natural and flawless as you look in your art, there is a ton of work that goes behind it. Okay. As flawless as your Punjabi uncle introduction comes, there's a ton of work that has gone behind it. ठीक है. तो मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि कितने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं हम ऐसे गिन सकते हैं इंडिया के अंदर. मैं कह रही हूँ चलो 1,000, मैं बहुत ऊपर टॉप्स कह रही हूँ कि 1,000 है जो इतना कमा रहे हैं, जो अपनी डे जॉब को अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं कि वो लूज कर दें. But is 1,000 a convincing number to choose it as a first career choice for younger kids?
First of all, thanks for all the nice things that you said. But
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know. I mean, of course, this is not the exact number.
Yeah,
जो
of
बोल
course.
रहे
I'm
हो, it's
just
just
like,
an
It's
yeah,
example,
higher.
right?
yeah, yeah.
Hypothetically,
Example.
you're saying
Yeah,
it's much higher
hypothetically.
than that.
Yeah.
See, it's all about जमाना किस चीज का चल रहा है फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमेशा हर दौर में ये देखा जाता है कि अभी जमाना किस चीज का चल रहा है तो अब सब कुछ डिजिटल हो गया है तो व्हेन यू से कि क्या सबको इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना चाहिए ऑफ कोर्स नॉट बट आई एम सेइंग इफ यू आर नॉट into content creation there are so many other things
Hmm.
editing managerial jobs and so many other profiles that you can
Avenues. Hmm.
explore so when you say कि just because इसका दौर चल रहा है just because people are earning out of it so should I be doing it yes if you have got that skill sure because जमाने के साथ भी तो चलना है तो अगर आज
Hmm.
इसका जमाना चल रहा है इसमें ज्यादा जॉब्स हैं इसमें ज्यादा
Hmm.
पैसा है and you have the skill as well not
Hmm.
only of content creation but let's say of other things why not example
So yes.
um
Go ahead. Go
go
ahead. Go
ahead
ahead. Go ahead. You
tell
go
me
ahead.
एग्जाम्पल मैंने बहुत सारे मैं फ्रीलांसर्स के साथ काम करता हूँ बिकॉज मुझे टाइम एंड अगेन यू नो वीडियोग्राफर की जरूरत पड़ती है ग्राफिक डिजाइनर की जरूरत पड़ती है दिस एंड दैट बट आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ रेगुलर editor that can work with me for me because you know how it is right for an editor it's all about that
Hmm.
coordination it's all
Yeah,
about that
yeah, yeah. You're
chemistry that you have
matching your visual identity. Yeah,
it's
yeah,
all
I
about
got
that
it.
chemistry so I'll give
Hmm.
you an example of the editor that I have
Hmm.
2 years ago, he sent me a profile. I don't know why I liked. I got several mails, but I liked. Young guy in college, first or second year, is not pursuing anything remotely related to journalism. He did a BC or something, but he loves editing, and whatever sample he sent were close to what I wanted. So it's like, let's start. And he started working. Of course, they were not as per my taste, but I kept correcting him.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
kept training him, mentoring him. And so many years have now gone, not so many वैसे, 2 2 2.5 साल गुजर गए हैं. अब वो मेरा यूट्यूब भी मैनेज करता है, वो मेरे लॉन्ग फॉर्म भी एडिट करता है, वो मेरा शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी एडिट करता है, वो मेरे ब्रांडेड पोस्ट भी एडिट करता है. एंड आई हैव ऑफ कोर्स क्रिएटेड मोर मॉनेटरी वाली चीजें भी फॉर हिम. एंड नाउ ही इज लीविंग हिज जॉब.
Wow.
So I think, like, I look at him and I feel very happy and inspired as well. मतलब he's working of course with me, but मुझे उससे inspiration ये मिलती है, like, here's this guy who didn't study editing, who learnt it on the job, had the passion, but showed me discipline and passion and good work, took the right kind of feedback, and showed me how, like, he can improve. And I also felt like rewarding him, and I did. And we are at a position where he's full time with me now. So why not? Like, and he's not camera friendly. He doesn't like to be on camera, but he's still earning good, and he's still basically enjoying the benefits of this industry and the
Correct.
hype that it has. So I am saying there are so many opportunities, and if you've identified what you're good at, definitely go out.
Yeah, so that's the keyword here, the skill and identifying what you're good at, right? Half of us are not even there yet. Us तो छोड़ो, मतलब अभी तो हम us की बात कर रहे हैं, नए वाले कैसे करेंगे? How to identify
But
what you're good
before
at?
that, I want to ask about the cancel culture thing, because we have recently seen what happened with with Ranveer Ahluwalia and Samir Raina. तो मतलब एक दिन में you were here, you were at the top of your game, and the other
The
day you
other
were
day you were
nowhere.
gone.
Like the whole
So do
country is
do
the
you
Supreme
also
Court
fear
is
cancel culture? ये भी answer करना, हाँ?
हाँ, the Supreme Court is hearing your petitions, and you're answering to the lawyers for something, okay, which was vulgar, but not to be discussed in the parliament or in the Supreme Court. But
There are
his
much
whole
more
team
important things to be discussed. Yeah.
is facing the brunt.
Hmm. See, when you're popular, when you're really popular, and you almost achieve that cultish kind of status, so it comes with a risk of judgment and
Hmm.
cancellation. एंड ऑनेस्टली अगेन हमने ना इस चीज को बहुत ऐसे बना, हम तो एक तो सोशल मीडिया को ना ऐसे बीस्ट की तरह देखने लग गए हैं कि ओ सोशल मीडिया में ये है, दिमाग पे इम्पैक्ट होता है, और कैंसिल कल्चर आ गया है. कैंसिल कल्चर आज से 20 साल पहले भी था. सेक्सी सेक्सी मुझे लोग बोले हाय सेक्सी, हेलो सेक्सी वाज कैंसल्ड. It was not tweet culture. There was no, like, information पहुंचने में तब घंटों लग रहे थे.
नहीं तो
But people,
इसलिए हुआ है ना ऐसे कि क्योंकि इतना क्विक वायरल ओवरनाइट वायरल सेंसेशंस भी तो हुए हैं ना, क्योंकि राइज
no,
टू
I'm just
फेम भी.
saying, I'm saying cancel culture is not new. I'm just
Yeah, of
saying
course.
sexy sexy मुझे लोग बोले was also cancelled. It was
Hmm.
because it was coming from a mainstream Hindi cinema, and an actress at top of her game was performing, and hence she was cancelled. Ki how can she sing, or how can she actually lip sync on sexy sexy मुझे लोग बोले. But so वही, that comes with a cost. So I would say कि when it comes to cancel culture, पहली बात, it has always existed. Second, when you are at a certain level of popularity, that's a risk that you carry, and you're always susceptible to that. And third, it's gonna stay, and because we are in billions here, and people are going to have herd mentality as well, because obviously एक बंदा कोई बोलेगा ये गलत है, तो बहुत सब कुछ जुड़ जाता है, and then it becomes, like, everybody starts echoing that thing. So I think it's fine. Like, I don't see it as कि वो बहुत गलत हो गया, या फिर कोई नई चीज देखी है हमने, या फिर कि ये इंटरनेट की वजह से है. I don't think. I think it's just like you're popular, so it comes with that. Yeah. And you said fear of getting cancelled.
Yeah.
No, I mean, I've been in this industry, or at least in the public eye, for too long to think about that. And I also think these things come and go. Of course, I did videos which didn't settle well with my followers, and of course, they point it out. I feel bad. Then you move on to the next video, and then say there's something new. So that's part and
And
parcel
do
of.
you
I
really
think
feel bad?
cycle
How
भी
long
बहुत
is
छोटा
the
है.
effect of feeling bad? I'm
Sorry.
sorry.
Sorry, I said वो cycle भी बहुत छोटा है कि एक दिन people are trolling you,
कुछ
and the
बुरा
other day
बुरा
it's
भला
something
बोल दिया.
else.
How
Yeah,
how
yeah.
how deep or not deep does it affect you? What people comment about you? If it's
No,
bad, I have seen most of the comments are really good on your
yeah.
content.
Thankfully, yeah. Thankfully, my audience is really nice, and even when I meet them, I am like, wow, dude, they're such nice people. Like, because I've seen people being hounded by their followers and
Mm-hmm.
uh, their community. But here, I mean, I get to know that okay, this person has recognized and they're looking, but they will wait for me to finish the food and then they'll come. I mean, they are. So I love
Nice
that
people.
feeling.
I
Like they're
want to
like,
add, like, the last time we met, and there was this girl who was just staring at Arun because we were walking in the mall. We were going to and fro, और उसने देखा है और उसने अपनी मम्मा को बोला कि मम्मा ये तो वो झुमरू है ना. And then she sweetly came और उसकी मम्मा ने उसकी पिक्चर क्लिक की and she was like,
So,
yeah.
you guys are so
how was the
lucky आप
first
अरुण के
one
साथ
for
घूम
you?
रहे
How
हो.
was the first fan moment for
Interaction.
you? What was it and how was it for
First,
you?
so honestly, I would say I had tasted that kind of feeling when I was a radio jockey. So of course you do it at like much smaller level, and it was a different era altogether. मैं उस जमाने का, of course, all of us. So 2000 2011-12 में I think जब मुझे काफी लंबा समय हो गया था रेडियो करते हुए और बिग एफएम में वो वगैरह. Of course, I used to do a show by the name of Amrit. So मेरा नाम तब ऑन एयर नाम अमृत था एंड उस चीज को मैं मतलब थोड़ा सा टेस्ट किया वहां पे दैट दैट सक्सेस एंड like if I'm talking to somebody and somebody recognized by my voice, oh Amrit, and then of course up the Facebook और ये सब का hype था तो they had seen my face also, so that kind of thing was experience. I was like, oh nice, so that was my first उस तरीके का content में. I don't remember ऐसे one moment, बट पता लग वो बहुत ही इमीडिएट हो गया बिकॉज दैट्स द थिंग विद सोशल मीडिया, राइट? वन वीडियो गोज अप एंड देन यू आर नोन बाय सो मेनी पीपल. सो मेरे साथ ये हुआ कि मेरी तो काफी वीडियोस जो बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर हुई वो पैंडेमिक के दौरान हुई और मैं बाहर अक्सर मास्क में ही होता था. सो वो थोड़ा होना शुरू हो गया जब लोग भी थोड़ा निकलना शुरू हुए. तो एक आउटिंग अगर की है मैंने तो उस आउटिंग में 3-4 लोगों का मिल जाना, तो देन यू नो ओके ओके पीपल
Yeah,
आर
people
सीइंग
are
माय कंटेंट
recognizing.
or
Yeah.
like, oh okay, whatever I'm creating is going
Hmm.
somewhere. Otherwise, like
Hmm.
you see these things as numbers, right? But when you see people and then you're like, oh okay, there are people, I mean it's affecting. And the best is when they talk to me about like one moment, one dialogue, one expression, one song, one thing I said on my story that makes my day. And I think that's when you know, okay, it's creating impact also. Okay, it's creating recall. And that's the thing actually with characters, honestly. When you do characters, so it
You have to
stays with them
remember.
because it's almost like books, right? You'll have your own world about it. So if I've done something on an uncle, it reminds somebody of their Tauji that probably they lost, or
Hmm.
their Tauji that they hate, or a teacher that has that peculiar habit. So it stays with them. And even after, like, there are sometimes instances where they talk to me about a video which I did like 2 years ago, but it's so fresh in their brain because they hard related with it. So that's
Yeah.
really nice when you like meet like real people who are your followers.
Wow. So you have been radio jockeying for long. How,
Not,
what?
no, not as long back ago.
Yeah,
Yeah, I started in 2010. There was
yeah.
a radio jockey
College.
hunt. Yeah, yeah.
There
There
was
was a
can I
Chanda.
narrate the
Yes,
story?
please, please start embarrassing me.
No, so there was this hunt. It was my FM, uh,
Mantra, Radio Mantra, which
मंत्रा
is now
रेडियो
Radio City,
मंत्रा
by the way,
एंड
guys.
एक कॉलेज में एक ऑडिशन था और अरुण वाज फ्रॉम आवर कॉलेज, ही वाज द फाइनलिस्ट. और हम सब ने फ्री डोकोमो के सिम बट रहे थे वो हम सब ने ले लिए कॉलेज के बाद. वी वर फ्रेशर्स एंड हमने पूरे हॉस्टल में लाइक मी एंड माय फ्रेंड ईशा, लाइक आवर फ्रेंड, हमने पूरे हॉस्टल में सब लड़कियों से अरुण को वोट करवाया और जिताया.
Yeah, it was kind of like a mini reality show that they had created. It was like
या इट वाज
top
लाइक
20, हर
हाँ.
हफ्ते 2 लोग एलिमिनेट हो रहे हैं, इस हफ्ते कौन
Oh.
होगा, then we
हाँ.
reached top 4 and Jalandhar के लिए, and also
Hey,
like
was it you
2010
and
के.
Anshu? Was it you and
Yeah,
Anshu in the finals?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So
Oh, she was our
uh
classmate, by the way.
yeah. So so it was like that kind of level, and then top 4 था. So I think तो जलंधर level के हिसाब से भी बढ़िया था, and also because वो reality show का दौर था तो it was like fully 4 का. बाद में finale हुआ. We had 3 tasks to perform on stage, and then they had Jimmy Shergill had come as a celeb guest, and then there was like I don't know if you guys know Anil Kak is a very big like radio person. He was also there, and then there was of course the CEO of the company. All of them like judged us. Then they announced the winner. I got a scooty. I got a phone. It was like so many gifts and
Wow.
prizes. It was a big deal.
Yeah,
And this
yeah.
is
His photo was
2010,
all
dude.
over the newspaper
But
in the
but you know,
Newspaper.
whatever you're doing now, you were setting up the stage of doing all these things long back, man.
या
ठीक
एंड
है.
उससे भी पहले वही मुझे लगता है वहां वो भी सबको तब दिखा. बट मैं 8th 9th स्टैंडर्ड से आई वांटेड टू बी इन रेडियो. लाइक आई मैंने रेडियो घोल के पी लिया हुआ था. 12th में आई हैड इंटर्न. So eventually that culminated in the first year of my grad, and everybody was like, wow, you started so early. But when I look back, I started much before that, but it just got like highlighted then.
So अरुण, so ये वो जो पहली कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रही थी कैंसिल कल्चर से पहले, आई वांट टू कंप्लीट दैट लूप कि सी यू न्यू थिंग्स, राइट? यू न्यू दैट यू आर गुड एट इट, correct? You knew that this is the skill, you had identified it. It's a big task identifying the skill, right? So can you help our listeners who are trying to explore what they can do better? How do they identify that one skill?
Yeah. So what you're good at, how to identify. One is try. Again, ये बहुत simple लगता है कि अरे try क्या ये वो. But keep trying new things. By that I mean, if you think content creation is your thing, create a video. Which video? Okay, what's my top interest today? Oh, travel is my top interest today. Let me make a video. Let me do that for like 3 months. Oh, it doesn't work. Never mind. I'll do something else. And honestly, if you like it and if you are getting better at it, or if people are appreciating, of course, if you're getting better, you'll get appreciation, and that will motivate you to move ahead and maybe, try more things. So that's how it works. So the thing is trying. I'll give you my example. Again, I'm very example driven person because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ इसे ज्ञान देना बहुत easy है, but I think it's better to understand with situations, and also I can always tell you what worked for me so that if that can help you guys, so it'll be better. And of course then you see what works for you. So मेरे लिए क्या work किया कि 2015 वो साल था when I was like, okay, what do I like now? Okay, because रेडियो के प्यार से मैं उभर चुका हुआ था. एंड उन दिनों में of course जैसे YouTube ये राइज पे था. So I was like, okay, I also want to try this. So how do I do it? Okay, let me start posting photo pictures on Instagram. Photo pictures, food pictures on Instagram. Sure, it didn't work. And I was like, okay, let me try YouTube. So 2015 was the year I was like, I'll make one video every week just to be disciplined, just to be consistent. And what will I do? Travel. Let me start traveling solo and let me start vlogging it. Started vlogging it, used to dread editing. मतलब अभी मैं पीछे मुड़ के देखता हूँ and I find it so funny because मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये ऐसी चीज है जहाँ ना मुझे कभी आएगी, ना मुझे ये करना और ना मुझे इसका शौक है. Today, if I can edit things in 10 seconds, it's because I've been editing since then. So I started to learn editing. उसमें भी ऐसे एक झटके में नहीं हुआ. Like मैं I used to beg people मेरा edit कर दे, मेरा edit कर दे,
Hey,
मेरा edit कर दे.
I remember NDTV, your Wednesday
Yeah.
videos.
Yeah. So imagine 2015 I had started. We met
Yeah.
in 2018-19.
Yeah.
I was doing that without any remuneration or without any reward because I was getting 70 views, 80 views. But मेरा फिर मोटिव ये नहीं था कि व्यूज लाने हैं. मेरा मोटिव था भाई तू नया कुछ सीख रहा है. So that's how I was like, I'll try. Didn't work, sure. But I think out of that, मुझे क्विक टर्न अराउंड करना ऑफ द वीडियो, एडिट करना, थिंकिंग.
So in the process, you learnt a lot.
Yeah, and today when people are like, oh, how do you do it? How do you think of the idea so quickly? It's not a skill that I was born with. I did this
You honed
1,000 times over the years, and that's how it became like a almost muscle memory.
This brings me to another question, Arun. जैसे ये हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, पोस्ट करते रहो, कंसिस्टेंसी, डिसिप्लिन करते रहो. अभी रिसेंटली एक न्यूज़ थी ना, इंडियन वुमन क्विट्स यूट्यूब आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिंग 8 लाख रुपीज इन हर चैनल. तो उसने फिर काफी सारी चीजें उन्होंने कन्फेस की थी और ये किया था. तो when to stop? If you have identified that this is not working for you, how do you identify when to
No,
stop?
you don't stop. You have to keep reinventing. You don't stop. Basically, see, how you don't stop is you keep finding motivation. For example, if I started in 2015 and I started with stills, it didn't work. I was like, also मजा भी नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, वीडियो करता हूँ. वीडियो में क्या करूंगा? ट्रैवल. ठीक है, करता हूँ. अब नहीं व्यूज आ रहे. Of course, I think I should stop. No, I didn't stop because मैंने motivation views को बनाया ही नहीं फिर. I was like, okay, you have a job. This is a new skill, which is the need of the hour. आजकल यही चल रहा है. तो you might as well learn to create content.
हम्म
तो मेरी मोटिवेशन व्यूज चला ही गया, ऑल्दो उसको मैं अपनी गलती भी मानता हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर फॉर दीज मेनी इयर्स इफ आई रियलाइज कि वो नहीं काम कर रहा है,
हम्म
आई शुड हैव अगेन डन समथिंग एल्स, बट मे बी वो भी करता, उसमें भी फेल हो जाता, बट आई थिंक इट समहाउ मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाता गया और मुझे मोटिवेशन में चेंज करता रहा। कभी ये था कि नया कंटेंट, कभी ट्रैवल, कभी फन वीडियोस, कभी स्केचेस भी किए। तो मेरी मोटिवेशन बदलती गई कि चल यार
हम्म
फन करते हैं, चल यार ट्रैवल करते हैं, चल यार एडिटिंग सीखते हैं, चल यार मास्किंग करना सीखते हैं। इस हफ्ते मैं मास्किंग सीखूंगा, 10 दिन लगा के मास्किंग सीख रहा हूँ। नहीं, इस हफ्ते मैं विग क्रिएट करता हूँ, लेट मी। So motivation badalta raha, but I didn't stop, and that's the name of the game. You don't have to stop if you really want something. And if
हम्म
you stop, which means it was not meant for you, then you might as well
Stop.
find something else. Yeah, you will stop eventually, and you
Yeah.
find some. And also, honestly, again, I know ये मैं मतलब कोई, it's not coming from a pompous space, या मैं अपनी ego की उसमें नहीं बोल रहा, but it's a very rare thing to have, to be crazy. I'm a little crazy also. So if you're
Hmm.
cuckoo, if you are crack
Obsessed.
here, that also works. So I'm
Hmm.
crack for sure, because today also, if I'm able to do a job, do a long form Khabar by the Jumru video, a short form Khabar by the Jumru, do a funny the Jumru video, do a branded collab, have a social
You
life, it's
have to
because
be
I'm
you have to be
crazy.
obsessed.
I'm crazy. I'm mad, and it's not normal either. So I think that also kind of worked. So if
So,
that is there, which is rare,
hmm.
that also works.
So Arun, being crazy for what you're doing, I'm understanding that is what is taking you to the heights that you're reaching. But does it affect the mental health?
Not as much, honestly,
Hmm.
because I know also, like, I have my ways to
Cope up.
cope up. Also, for example, like, you might be looking from a perspective of like your own schedule, right? A lot of people, whatever they do in their life, and they're busy, and then they are like, oh, अच्छा, इस सब में इसका भी जो काम है वो फिट करके देखता हूँ, ओ ये तो बहुत, बट ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि हर किसी की लाइफ डिफरेंट है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं सीरीज नहीं देखता कुछ भी, ठीक है, मैं बैठ के टीवी नहीं देखता। That's not in my dictionary. That's not, I mean, unless I have to review a video, or unless I'm in a cinema hall. I don't sit to watch things. I don't have a hobby like that. This is my therapy. This is my hobby. That's why it works for me, because, um, yeah, I mean, this is the only thing I like, and this is my therapy, and that's why I don't have to cope up, or that's why I don't have to take a break, because this is the only thing I like, and this is what I love. And बाकी अगर जो जो कुछ, and also I think I also have a habit of turning things I like into content. For example, vibing to music is my therapy, but I turned into content, so that became my content. But when I thought कि अब हो गया मेरा, मुझे इस पे वीडियो नहीं बनानी, I stopped. I don't make it as often now. But again, then people are like, please make, please. I had made also like one or two. फिर again I stopped. So mental health, yeah, I know it when and I know कि जब वो ज्यादा हो रहा है, तो फिर I pause also. वो अपने आप हो जाता, बहुत
But
organically
do
होता
you
है.
get upset when your video doesn't work? Like when you put a lot in effort, lots of effort, और
Effort
वो
and
चलती
does
नहीं
it
है.
affect you that way?
Of course it does, yeah. It really affects me. It
अभी
affects
भी
me. Of
like
course.
you're a million plus, right, on
Of
Instagram,
course.
and
Yeah.
Of course. See, it's the name of the game, right? It's almost like, again, छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात, but for example, अगर इसको बड़े level पे लेके जाएं, movie stars, they are earning in crores, they have fancy lives, but they live their life based on Friday earnings, right? Because that's the name of that's their validation. That's where their validation, that's where their existence really comes
comes
from.
from, yeah.
So for me, my entire existence of being is
Videos.
being relevant, or videos, or getting numbers. So of
Hmm.
course, I seek my validation from that, and of course, it affects me, and of course, I'm putting effort. So does it not affect me? Of course, it affects me, but do I know how to handle that? Yes, because now I also, again, because I've been doing this for so many years, I know that's the name of the game. आपकी हर वीडियो नहीं करेगी
चलेगी.
मिलियन. Also, when especially on Instagram, I'm very frequent. Like, there are creators who post like 1 or 2 videos a week. I do like 4 or 5 videos a week now. ये भी अब कम हुआ है, पहले मैं 7 दिन एक वीडियो कर रहा था. So I kind of counseled myself कि भाई, अगर तू 7 दिन की 7 वीडियोस डालेगा, तो 7 नहीं करेंगी मिलियन. ऑफ कोर्स उसमें कोई गिरेगी भी, बट ठीक है, दैट्स देन समथिंग दैट यू डील विद. बट नाउ I don't do as many videos, but हाँ, अब एक तरह से मतलब, of course, but it affects me for sure. I'm low if my videos don't work. बट आई हैव ऑल्सो नाउ कम टू टर्म्स विद कि ठीक है यार, ये हफ्ता ऐसा गया या 2 हफ्ते ऐसा गया, ठीक है, तीसरे हफ्ते आई विल बाउंस बैक, सो दैट वर्क्स।
तो अरुण ने
And
फॉलोअर्स बढ़ाने के लिए कुछ ऐसा क्रेजी किया है? मतलब ऑब्वियसली रिश्तेदार, मम्मी पापा, वंस यू वर फेमस, वंस योर रील स्टार्टेड गेटिंग वायरल, उन्होंने लोगों के साथ शेयर करना शुरू किया। तूने पर्सनली कुछ किया है ऐसा क्रेजी, मतलब फॉलोअर्स
क्रेजी
बढ़ाने के
टू
लिए?
फॉलोअर्स बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं यार। एंड मुझे लगता है, पता नहीं, मतलब मेरे लिए तो इट नेवर वर्क्स लाइक दैट, बिकॉज फॉर एग्जांपल अब यू कीप प्रमोटिंग योरसेल्फ व्हेन यू गो टू इवेंट्स, दिस फॉलो
हम्म।
करो फॉलो करो फॉलो करो, बट वो रीच उसको टक्कर ही नहीं दे सकती जो ऑर्गेनिकली करोड़ों के
organically
पास लोग
आएगी।
पहुंच रही है, राइट? अब मतलब कहने को जिसके मिलियन फॉलोअर हैं या 5 लाख फॉलोअर हैं, वो
हम्म
5 लाख लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो रील करोड़ों के पास जा रही है, राइट? मतलब माय गुत्ते पर अंदर रील इज व्यूड बाय लाइक करोड्स, लिटरली करोड्स of people. So how will you like how will you attract that like with your own
It's not
effort?
possible.
It's not possible unless
Yeah.
you, I don't know what, unless you buy like crore
Yeah.
views.
You can't do
So
that.
You can't buy that.
No, you
yeah,
can't
so
do
I
that.
think, I mean, that's the only thing. That's what I'm saying. So there's nothing in your hand. Ha, if you mean to ask कि मैंने कुछ क्रेजी किया कि ओ गाइस आज मैं शर्ट उतार रहा हूँ शाम 7 बजे, सो कम जॉइन मी, नो आई डिड नॉट,
ये
बिकॉज आई
शर्ट
आई
उतारने,
आल्सो थिंक
अरुण शर्ट उतारने से याद है योर recent podcast
What?
with what is his name, that
Paras.
pineapple, yeah. So what was that about, man?
yeah, I mean, I knew like he talks a lot about sex,
Yeah.
and I'm a prude, I think. Not a prude, but like I'm not that person who talks about 18 plus things on my
Same.
content. Story में भी कभी कभार कुछ कर भी देता हूँ, but nothing like yeah, but I'm not that person. Not that I look down at like that content or people who do adult comedy or people who abuse or this thing. I don't like look down at them because I think that's an ego trap. Ki just because I do clean comedy, I'll think you are lesser.
Hmm.
So I don't do that. So when I looked at Paras's profile also, I went with a very open mind. Sure, that okay, this is something I can't do. This is something I can't discuss. But here's this guy. He's talking about his sex expeditions. Sure. And I was like, that's really cool to have and to have his perspective. The idea is to democratize the entire space, right?
Hmm.
And YouTube is also anyway a space where I am like experimenting. I'm
Hmm.
not that, big there. The community is small, warm, nice, they're
Hmm.
engaging, but of course I don't have a million people following me there. So I want to experiment, I want to get like variety of people, and I think we are too judgy about people who talk about sex. So
Hmm.
I just went in with that कि ठीक है यार, I want to hear this guy out and whatever
Hmm.
he has to say, and he did, and boy
Hmm.
he did.
It was spicy, it was.
Yeah, it was. Coming to that, oversharing by Jumru, your recent
Venture.
venture podcast. So podcasts have become the new thing, you know. Like, I mean, not
I don't
exactly
think they're
new. I
new
think it's,
anymore.
yeah,
Yeah.
they're not exactly. I was just going to correct myself. They're not even new anymore. So I've seen podcasts on crazy topics, Arun. I mean, topics that you can't even. I've seen porn stars talking about their porn
Experience.
experiences on Indian podcasts, okay, like Indian porn stars. So these, they are happening. Like every topic has a podcast now. All right. अब ये saturation आएगा क्या इसका? What do you predict? What do you think?
सैचुरेशन तो आ ही चुका है, लाइक मतलब पॉडकास्ट क्लिप्स पहले जब नजर आती थी रील्स पे भी, इट यूज्ड टू कैच योर अटेंशन, और इट डजंट बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी इज नाउ
Holding
डूइंग
the
अ
camera.
रील विद अ माइक. सो सैचुरेशन तो आ चुका है, but I think it's always see, conversation are never gonna go out of fashion, right? It's like very stupid to say ki, oh, are people not going to listen to conversations? No, of course not, because I mean that's
The
the
most human
basic,
thing to do.
yeah, the
Yeah.
most basic thing for a human to do.
Hmm.
I don't think that way like saturation
Hmm.
आएगा, but yeah, you'll have to do something new, which was, I think, let's say a game thing. For example,
Hmm.
अब समय का वही idea था कि I wanted a property which has a quick turnaround, is interesting, fun to produce, and quick. So that was a great like take, I think, of doing long form. So
Hmm.
long form conversation stays, but there was a take to it. So maybe there'll be some take to it. But I think अभी तो चल ही रहे हैं, चलने वालों के तो चल ही रहे हैं, and I think it's fine also. But coming back to what you said कि हर चीज का एक podcast है, but that's fine also because what is weird to you might be normal to someone else. So I
True.
mean, again वही वाली बात कि Indian porn star views discuss कर रहा है podcast पे, why not? Because they can.
Yeah.
If they can work in a porn film, being in Indian or being in India, they can pretty much share their experience because it's also rare.
Yeah, very rare.
And second, it's like fine. It's I think वही जितनी variety होगी उतना ही बढ़िया. I have a problem with people peddling fake things or fake
Hmm.
theories on podcasts.
Hmm.
That's become my problem.
That's a major thing actually, you know.
But
That's
that
a
happens
major.
with
Instagram
every
also because पहले
yeah.
हमें मैसेजेस आते थे कि 10 लोगों को फॉरवर्ड करो तो माता रानी तुम पे धन बरसाएगी एंड
मैं वही बोलने वाला था कि that becomes with every medium, right? If it is
Hmm.
popular, if it is I mean, for mass consumption, of course it will have that kind of result, right? कि वो मतलब that is a bit like disturbing for me, but rest I think my motive was कि I'll fill that gap. So for example, I did a podcast with a counseling psychologist about horror podcasts, why people watch horror, why do people watch violent films, and why are people so inclined towards astrology and totka and jadoo tuna. So things like those. So because I was like, why is everybody talking about that? And then I was like, oh, might as well get a psychologist to discuss it. So
Nice.
that's at least my endeavor to do when I'm doing podcasts, कि at least like fill that gap.
तो अगर पंजाबी अंकल को ऐसे करना होगा ना अरुण, अवेयर करना होगा लोगों को फेक पॉडकास्ट से कैसे बचे, कैसे करेगा?
देखो बच्चों, जिसके नाम में ही पॉड आता है ना, अच्छी बात तो होती नहीं. मेरे को भी जब मैं खाना गंदा खा लेता हूँ तो मुझे पॉड आता है. तो नाम में ही ऐसा है, तो आपको ज्यादा आंखें बंद करके और नाक बंद करके विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. अपनी आंखें खोलें, नाक खोलें और कान तो जरूर खोलें, और फिर चीजें थोड़ी सर्च करें. आज तो गूगल पे आप लोग सब कुछ देख लेते हो, तो फिर आप वो अपना सारी चीजें सर्च करके फिर कोई फैसला लो.
ओके अंकल, अंडरस्टूड.
काफी मतलब अंकल इज लाइक योर सेकंड
नेचर.
क्या ऑल्टर
Yeah.
ईगो नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Yeah. Second nature,
ego.
alter ego, whatever you want to call it.
yeah
Yeah,
My
nice.
spirit.
This is the mother of podcasts. This podcast is available on Spotify and Apple Podcast. Connect with us on Instagram, Threads, and Facebook.